1. When is Pakistan's National Day celebrated? Correct answer, A. The 23rd of March. 2. When was Pakistan's first constitution made? Correct answer, B. 1956. 3. Which is the largest city of Pakistan? Correct answer, B. Karachi. 4. What was Quaid-e-Azam's real name? Correct answer, B. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. 5. What title is given to All-Amir Iqbal? Correct answer, B. Poet of the East. 6. A soldier is most likely to be tested for which quality in ISSB? Correct answer, B. Leadership ability. 7. In ISSB group tasks, the main purpose is to check. Correct answer, B. Teamwork and personality.